So ready? Open the MS Paint now.
Okay.
Then you draw a house using different shapes.
I want to make colors.
Mm.
Number 1
Ah.
and number 2.
Okay, and then what about for the walls?
Lower the stairs.
Just do it. Just do it.
What's the
Okay.
color? Number 1 muna.
Okay. What color do you want to use?
This one.
Okay, you can click the color.
This one.
You have two colors to choose. Okay. And then what's next? Go on, anak. Discontinue. For the door, what color do you want to use for the door?
Red and orange.
Okay, you can change it. You can change it.
Here.
Yeah. Alright, and then what's next? And then what's next, anak?
I make color orange and yellow.
Again, for the window?
Orange and green.
Okay, you can change the color. Orange. And then green.
Dark.
Okay, and then what's next?
No. Just only one. Number 2.
Another window. We have two windows. Okay, is that your house now?
Yeah. Where's the rooms here?
You want to put rooms inside the house?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I will make the